Hi, I'm the math teacher Goat, and today I'm going to demonstrate why it's important to run multiple trials whenever doing an experiment. I'm going to run 3 races and see how I do every race. All right, and I'm going to have a little bit of help with me today. You ready?
Hi, everyone.
All right, well that didn't work really well. I was trying to do my run and these kids got in my way. I'm going to do it again. Hopefully they don't run in my way anymore. Well, that's not too bad, but I'm wearing these slides, and that doesn't make me really fast. I need my magic shoes. Oh, wow. All right, I got my magic shoes on now. Let's do our 3rd run. All right, well, I did my 3 runs, and these are my 3 times. So why do you think it's important to do multiple trials whenever you do an experiment?